Hi friends, my name is Virendra. Today my topic is OS. OS is nothing but interface between user and hardware. It changes the language from higher language to lower language. The functions of OS, they are classified into 5 types. They are process management, memory management,
Life becomes easier when you start enjoying being alone.
secondary management, secondary memory, file management,
Files.
IoT devices. Process management is used to uh, hardware to main memory. It is used to allocate the data. Main memory. Main memory is the used to allocate the data, and it is when the device is switched off, the data will be deleted. Secondary data. It is used to management is used to
Secondary memory management.
data. File management is nothing but create the files, delete the files, operate the files. IO devices is nothing but input output devices. Input devices are keyboard, mouse. Output devices are monitor and CPU. Thank you.